Hey guys, what's up? My name is T. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And before we get started with the video, make sure that you guys hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload, you'll be one of the first people to see. And with that being said, listen guys, I am so very excited because I had some more activity going on with my Forsage account. Today is day 5 and I'm just so pumped, so excited. And I just can't wait to show you guys. And on top of just showing you guys, just for me to document my journey so that way I can look back on day 5 like, dang, you made that on day 5 and it hasn't even been a week yet. So with that being said, let's dive into the computer. All right, so we're in the computer and let me log into my account. Okay, so look at this, guys. I'm souped. $85. I did get one referral today and I am just excited. You know what I mean? Like, I am just so excited because I'm making money. It hasn't even been a week, y'all. It hasn't even been a week. It's day 5 for me. So these circles right here is from the person that I actually referred and they got in. And that's the same thing with these circles right here mean. And you can look right here, that same color circle, partner invited by you. And so basically I got $45 on X4 and I got $40 with X3. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to go and buy another slot. So I'm definitely going to get another slot in X4 because that's what for that overflow. I'm going to confirm that. And I'm going to let it load up. And it normally takes a few minutes for it to like load up, for it to actually like pop up. I'm going to try to refresh my screen through. Okay, here we go. So it did go through. So now I have 4 slots in X4. And I basically use the money that I've earned to get that slot right there. So that way, when the overflow does come from above, anybody that's in X4 in slot 4, it'll come directly to me. So that was just an update for you guys and for myself, for my journey. So that way you guys can see that you can make some money with Forsage. And like I said, this has only been a week. So imagine what I'm going to be doing in a month. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to jump out of the computer and I'll see you guys in a quick second. All right, guys, so we're out of the computer right now. You guys are able to see why I was so excited. I made $85. It's only been 5 days and it hasn't even been a complete week yet. And I'm just so excited because I can see a month, 2, 3 months from now that I'm blowing this thing up. And once again, this is just for my personal journey. This isn't for, me trying to recruit anybody, me trying to get anybody to sign up for me. But this is for the people that are interested in Forsage and they want to see results, like real results, day by day. Not some guru just saying, hey, I made 17,000 or I made $1 million, within a week. No, this is actually for people that want to see behind the scenes what's going on right now. And no, I didn't run any paid traffic to this. I haven't, I didn't really do anything, just recording YouTube videos and paying attention to my Forsage account. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.